It is 50 degrees out, it's cloudy, it's cold, it's miserable. So I thought I'd come and check on my plants. There's an 80% chance of rain all day. And fortunately, my planter box is not getting soaked because it's so far back. The purple hearts are doing horribly. I will no longer continue to add purple hearts to this section. The Sticks on Fire is doing well. This Kalanchoe has bloomed out. It was gorgeous. It had beautiful pink leaves. That's so pretty too. All my little baby starts. The chicks and hen right there, finally taking off. This Aloe brevifolia is doing well. The purple hearts in this section, looking good. The aloe vera, I don't know. The color looks weird, but it's hanging in there. I just planted this black rose aeonium. My neighbor kids, I should say the neighbor's kids gave this to me for Christmas. They're so cute. I think they're 12 and 10 years old. They know I love plants. So every time I look at this black rose aeonium, I think of them. This is the Echeveria color shift. It hasn't gotten too much sun, so it hasn't shifted colors. Can't wait for it to do that in the summertime. This gets blazing hot right here. And this Kalanchoe is doing very well. The purple hearts in this section, goner. My Sticks on Fire doing well. And I think I need to move my dragon fruit out of the rain. That is enough water for now.